In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tasks on Asana 2025 step by step. If you're new to Asana, or you want a cleaner way to stay on top of your work, this walkthrough will take you from creating a task to running a smooth, dependable system. We'll start by creating and detailing a task. Click Add Task, or use the plus icon to begin. Give your task an action-oriented name so it's clear what needs to happen, like draft client proposal instead of just proposal. Assign the task to the right teammate so it automatically appears in their My Tasks, which keeps accountability clear. Set a due date to anchor priorities. Remember, dates can be adjusted as plans evolve. Then open the task's detail pane to add a description, break work into subtasks for multi-step items, and attach any relevant files. Adding context upfront reduces follow-up questions and helps everyone move faster. Next, organize and triage your work. Go to My Tasks, your personal hub for everything assigned to you. New tasks land in Recently Assigned. Review this area regularly and move each item into the right section. Today for what you're tackling now, upcoming for the near future, and later for anything that isn't urgent. If you prefer extra structure, create custom sections within My Tasks to group similar work and make scanning your list quicker. As things change, update due dates so they reflect reality and move anything overdue into the appropriate section. This simple routine keeps your plan accurate and prevents last-minute scrambling. Finally, streamline task management with Asana's built-in tools. Create rules that automatically move tasks between sections as due dates approach, so your today list stays current without manual effort. Use tags to categorize tasks across projects, making it easier to filter and find related work later. When a task depends on another, set dependencies to link them. In some plans, those relationships can automatically shift due dates, which helps keep schedules aligned without extra clicks. And don't forget to leverage different views. List is ideal for detailed checklists and sorting. Board gives you a visual pipeline that's great for progress tracking. Calendar helps you spot timing conflicts and plan your week at a glance. Switch views to match how you think and what you need to see. By creating clear tasks, consistently triaging My Tasks, and using rules, tags, dependencies, and views, you'll turn Asana into a reliable system you can trust every day. Let's dive in.